How to start healthy food delivery from scratch, step-by-step instructions. Delivery of healthy food as a business, features and nuances. The demand for the niche is confirmed by the presence of more than 36 different companies that accept orders for the preparation and delivery of healthy food in Moscow. Within the direction, narrowly focused segments have already formed. Delivery of dishes from famous restaurants, cafes. The direction is almost monopolized by large courier services, Yandex.Go, Boxbury. Homemade food. In addition to the courier service, entrepreneurs organize the work of their own kitchen. Preparation of a diet menu. The company develops a diet, and at the agreed time brings the client ready-made daily or weekly boxes. The main reasons for the steady growth in demand for healthy food in Russia are the difficulty in finding natural products, especially for residents of the metropolis, and employment, which does not allow wealthy citizens to spend much time in the kitchen. Taking care of their health, people are ready to delegate the delivery of farm products and the preparation of familiar dishes to companies. At the same time, the delivery of healthy food as a business brings the entrepreneur face to face with such difficulties. Novelty. The service is little known to small towns, so the client base has to be collected literally by one customer. The high cost of advertising. Since the direction is new, in order to attract customers, you have to pay for advertising for a long time outdoor, internet. Competition. Despite the novelty of a particular niche of healthy dishes, courier services have been accepting orders for lunch for a long time, so they will have to compete with fast foods, Chinese cuisine, pizzerias, accustoming the target audience to the opportunity to eat deliciously, controlling calories. Target audience of a healthy food delivery business. Young mothers need dietary food to maintain lactation. People who want to lose weight, they can be offered individual diets developed by nutritionists, trainers, nutritionists. Professional athletes and fitness enthusiasts are the largest category of clients that are worth opening a healthy food delivery business for. People with gastrointestinal diseases, trying to cure the symptoms of gastritis, ulcers, the patient has to adhere to strict food restrictions. Office workers are a category of always busy clients who do not have enough time to cook full meals. Businessmen are a category similar to the previous one, for whom it is important to eat tasty and healthy without making any effort. Vegans, vegetarians, in an effort to preserve wildlife, they also take care of their own well-being. When writing a business plan for a healthy food delivery service, try to focus on one, maximum 3 categories of potential customers. Find their main pain, and, considering it, organize sales. For example, it is difficult for office workers who are losing weight to control the calorie content of food, to count the content of proteins, carbohydrates, and it is difficult to find time for cooking. Therefore, such people constantly drop diets. Offer them ready-made boxes for every meal of the day, and a random customer will quickly become a regular customer. Level of competition and risks. Food delivery services are highly competitive. It's hard to walk down the street without seeing cyclists' scooters with square colorful backpacks. But in most cases, couriers carry pizza, burgers or rolls. The healthy lunch niche is still open to beginners. To avoid failure, carefully analyze the scope in your area. Let's take Kazan as an example. 13 services operate here that allow you to place orders through a website or application. Benefits of existing healthy food delivery services as a business. Individual consultations with specialists, vegan menu, work 24/7, loyalty programs, trial day. The presence of a convenient application. Calorie calculator next to the name of the dish. Orders for a long period of time. The possibility of self-delivery. The first thing to do is to study in detail the law of the Russian Federation on the protection of consumer rights, which should be followed by all courier services. Also, the work of catering establishments is regulated by Rules for the Provision of Public Catering Services. Sanitary Regulations 2, 3, 6, 1079/01. When opening your own company, register with the Federal Tax Service, register an LLC IP. Use the main OKVED 53, 20, 32, additional courier service codes 53, 20, 3, 53, 20, 31, 53, 20, 39. If, in addition to delivering healthy food, you are going to start a restaurant business, provide nutritionist consultations, indicate the codes. 56. 10 restaurants, food delivery services. 56. 29 catering establishments for other types of catering. 56. 30 serving drinks. 63. 99. 1 provision of consulting, information services. In addition to confirming the status of an entrepreneur, permissions are needed to operate the kitchen. Rozporibnager. Sanpan. Fire inspection. Employees are required to make health books. Also open a separate business bank account. How much to invest and how much to really earn. As you consider how to start delivering the right nutrition, get ready for a significant expense. Article. Amount of expenses. Business registration, 5,000 to 10,000. Online cash desk, 20,000. Mobile app, 200,000. Cosmetic repairs of the premises and rent, 80,000. Purchase of transport for couriers, 1,200,000. Equipment, 110,000. Purchase of products, 300,000. Advertising, 30,000. The estimated amount of the initial investment reaches 1,885,000 rubles.